I'll be unboxing the Dyson Airstrait travel pouch from Dyson. I found that it was really hard to find any information about this, so here you go. This comes in a cardboard box. It's a pouch that opens up. There's a slot here to put your device in, and then another slot here to put the cord. See, you can put the whole thing in. And there's a flap that covers it. It's like a velvet pouch. It's not that cushiony, but it provides a little bit of protection so the device doesn't get scratched by the cord. And then there's a ribbon to secure the whole thing. So I guess you just tie it something like this. I was searching for many solutions on the market and I wasn't able to find anything, and the Dyson website really doesn't give you a good idea of what this looks like. So hopefully this helps people out who are trying to figure out how to travel with their Dyson Airstrait.